What is up, guys? I am Ryan, your tech guy with the Click Experts, and we specialize in internet marketing, software development, and on-site technical support with your networks. Hey guys, how you doing today? Ryan back here with the Click Experts. We're gonna do a video for you guys today, just pretty basic, just putting on a Keystone jack. And we're gonna put this Keystone jack, this is a female jack, network jack. And we'll go ahead and put that on some Cat6 plenum cable. Okay, let's go ahead and just start out with a nice pair of sharp scissors. You wanna score the jacket lightly and try to break it off. That's going to allow you to expose the inside pairs of wire. And we actually have this as this could actually be a pull string if you guys want to split it down the side, but in this case we don't have to, so we'll just cut that off. And inside this cable we have 4 pairs of wires. We have our browns, our blues, our greens, and our oranges. I like to start out with the brown pair first. So I just peel those back. I start out with my browns to start untwisting. It's good to have fingernails to grab on the ends of these. And if we take a look at our connector, there's actually an A color and a B color. So that basically stands for T56.8A and T56.8B color code combinations. You can look up those combinations with a simple Google search, but in most cases A is for residential and B is commercial, so we just basically use the B primarily. So let's go ahead and check that out. We'll basically have our brown pairs on top, brown, brown, white, orange, orange, white. And you can see how that lines up with the B. And also down below, we'll have the B will actually be the upper one this time. So it'll be blue, white, blue, green, white, green. And it's pretty much just as easy as just folding your cable into those positions and punching them in. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. So we know our brown and brown white goes here, following the color code. And we'll have our orange and orange white will be the next 2 colors. So orange and orange white. And then punch down tool. This side has a blade, so you want this cut side out. It's shown in yellow. Okay, so that's punched in. Usually just wiggle left and right until all the strands break off. I want to go up and down, just left and right. Okay, so that's half of it. Now we'll start on our other half. So we've got our green and green white. Do those next. And then our blue and blue white, just pull this underneath, make it a little nicer. Same thing, we'll just punch them in. cut side out. You don't want to cut on the inside. Okay, there's a nice connector. We have a back lid, so the back lid kind of helps keep those down, locks them in. And I usually like to lightly bend it forward so you get a nice solid connector. Okay, there's our Keystone jack, female network connector. If you enjoyed this product and you want to maybe purchase it for yourself, go ahead and hit the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content or you learned something, please give us a like, a comment, a subscribe. Again, this is Ryan with the Click Experts, your tech guy, signing off.
Thanks for watching. Also, thank you to all those who subscribe and donate. You make it possible for us to continue creating great videos for everyone.